What? I didn't get you actually. You were saying something.
Also, I am a YouTuber, so I have heard we cannot upload the same video on two channel. That's
Hmm.
why.
No worries. You can upload this time. I will upload next time. You can take this one.
Thank you so much.
No worries. No worries. Next time we will connect. Then I will make another video for my channel.
Thank you.
No worries.
Okay, how about you?
I am great. I would say I'm pretty well. So tell me, what about you?
I'm doing well. I'm very well. Thank you.
So how
And
was how was the weekend? How
yes,
was the weekend? How was the weekend?
weekend. It was not that much cool as usual every day, and I do some part-time job, so I was busy with that.
Mhm. Okay, okay, great. Great. So, matlab, earlier when we talk, earlier when we talk, you said that you were taking tuition and all that. So, Saturday and Sunday, you don't take any holiday for yourself.
No. Also, I am a tailor, so Saturday and Sunday also I do work, and Saturday also I take tuition, and Sunday I don't take. It's off.
Oh, beautiful. That means you stitch the cloth also.
Yes.
Earlier I also, learned about the stitching and all that. I was very fond of that. But now, due to my, I would say physique, I'm not able to sit. I have a back pain, so I can't stitch more.
Yes,
But I
yes.
love to stitching. I love to stitching.
Yeah, it's good, but many times also I feel back pain and shoulder pain, so yeah, it's little difficult to continue.
Yes. Okay. So let's start the conversation. So of course, you want my introduction because this is for your channel, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Can you? I'm sorry. Can you
No
introduce
worries.
yourself?
Yes, of course. Gladly. My name is Rekha Sharma and I'm connecting you from the city of Faridabad. And if we talk about my education qualification, then I'm BCom, B.Ed and CTET qualified. And apart from this, I'm also running a YouTube channel named English with RVS. And my core of interest is meditation, yoga. I'm married, having twin baby. That is all about me.
That's cool. So you are very busy in your life.
Yes, indeed. Precisely. I didn't get even time to comb my hair sometime.
Yeah, you are a mother of two kids, also housewife. You are running YouTube channel. I can understand that.
Yeah, today's Monday, so today onwards the school has reopened here in Faridabad. So I'm bit relaxed. I can focus on my work. I can give my work fully dedication to my work. Earlier it was like, hustle and bustle, everything. I'm roaming around here and there. I'm just running behind my kids. So I didn't get time to make the conversational video. I'm not connecting that time with the co-learners, but I have time, so I'm connecting.
So how are they, your kids?
They are actually in school.
So which class they are studying?
Third standard.
Third standard, both of.
Both. Same class, same everything because both are twin.
Yes, that's good. So when they were like um 6 months old, yeah, 1 year. So you're facing so much problem for them.
Yes, my motherhood journey it was like, I would say full of it is like a hell for me and I was in the post depression I would say because handing two kids together in a nuclear family without supporting hand only I have only one supporting hand, that is my husband, and no one with me in my family, so it was like hell and depression. And other part, if I talk about the other part of my motherhood, then I would say it always navigate me to do something good in my life, and it enrich my experience in terms of my career, my experience. So I enjoy the
Yeah.
both sides.
Yes, mothers are so powerful. I know that. Also, my mother.
Yes,
I love
yes.
mother.
Every mother is a powerful innate quality. I would say it is an innate quality in each and every mother. They're very strong and very, patience they have inside.
They have so much patience because their children and the kids, they are so naughty.
Yes, but by the grace of God, my kids are not too much mischievous and naughty.
That's cool. That's cool. So they are both of I mean, boys or girl.
One is girl, one is boy.
That's cool. You know, that is cool. One boy and one girl.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. If you know that, I would say this is the advantage for me because both are different gender, right? So both
Yes,
have
yes.
different perspective of their life. They have different interest, right? So they don't actually fight with each other for same interest because my son has a different interest for their toys and their studies and about. My daughter has a different stuff for her toys and study.
Yes, yes. That's good. You know, one boy and one girl.
Yes. So you tell me something about yourself. I mean, when did you start? Why did you take a thought that you should start a YouTube channel or you are into this English? Why?
Uh, English, actually, my name is English. So I said if I cannot speak English, then it will be a same for me. And second thing is I like languages. I'm very interested to speak different languages. And third is, you know, when I was at a college, lectures were schooling because we did not know English and I could not understand at the time. So I said one day I will speak. Then I started my journey after my graduation. And this YouTube channel, I had no courage. I
Mm-hmm.
was a very unconfident girl, uncomfortable. I am not, not close with my family, my relatives. So I started, if I'm like this. If I am able to think now, it's time to do something different to overcome fear and move forward in life. Then I start. Then I thought I will share my story, my suffer, my sacrifice to everyone and who are like me also they will motivate from me and also I invested so much money for learning this language, so I want to help them. No matter you have money or not, you can learn this language very easily with smile and confidence.
Yes, yes, indeed. I totally agree with you. The only thing is that you to take an initiative for yourself, take a stand for yourself. If you are lagging somewhere, and we all are mature person, we know what is good
Yes,
and what is bad for you. If as a term of career perspective, right? Like
yes,
you took a stand for yourself that you need to learn this language and you are learning and you are good to go.
yes. That is a matter. I have talked with many people. They just they share the pain and suffer. What are the problems they are facing for learning this language? Everything. So I think I can help them.
Mhm.
Other people say I have confidence.
Mhm.
So I think I can help them. No matter how your English, no matter how much mistakes you are doing, it does not
Mhm.
matter. The matter is the way you are speaking. Your partner will see your eyes and your mouth. How are you speaking,
Mhm.
and you have smiled or not, or you are enjoying or not. That's enough, no matter your
Yeah.
mistake.
Very important. Confidence, we just mentioned here the confidence. Confidence play a very significant role in this language. Like no matters how many mistakes you are committing in between the conversation, doesn't matter. But once you go with the flow of confidence, once you go with the tremendous kind of a confidence with the conversation, na, you will always going to, blast and you are always going to hit the goal. Right.
Yes,
So
yes,
always go with confidence. Once you drop that confidence in front of anyone, you always supposed to be defeated person, so that is depend on you if you want to present yourself defeated person or a confident person.
yes. That is the matter, and it is just a language. Day by day, year by year, it will be. It will be clear, and you can speak fluent English like native speaker. So it does not matter mistake. So just
Mhm.
enjoy
Yes.
with big smile.
I would say here English one thing. Now, this language, we always say that this language is not our language. This is a foreign language. Native speakers speak this language. But nowadays, this language become a local language. We need not to
Yes.
give any kind of a privilege this language because everyone chasing for this language, everyone just running behind this language to learn this. They immerse themselves into this language, right? So this is a local language instead of
Yeah.
a foreign language.
Yes, I think after 2 or 3 years, it will be. It will be
Mhm.
very common, for everyone, I think.
Yes, common language. It will become a common language. Everybody is speaking in English. It become a like a matter of clicking a like a click. चुटकी का काम हो जाएगा.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
Yes, 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 absolutely. And tell me, you said that you are helping the people, right? You are, no matter, you just said that no matter how many mistakes you are making, but it just thank that you are helping someone, right? So, what
Yes.
kind of a help, what kind of a helping hand you are providing them?
I don't know. They are learning something from my English or not. I am not sure that, but some people talk with me for confidence only. Some say
Mm-hmm.
we want to connect with you for improve our confidence. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
some people say your smile is good, because when you start to talk with people with
Uh-huh.
smile, you don't feel like nervous and you have fear. So according to me, mentally strong is very important than physically strong. If you are mentally so powerful and you are strong, then physically weakness is nothing. It will be clear
Yes,
day by day.
of course, of course. I'm very much agree with you on this point. That smile, right? Smile.
Yes,
Always go with the gentle smile, right? When you give a gentle smile, the person who's opposite to you, you're spreading a kind of a positivity first of all, and giving them a comfort, conducive environment, so that he and or she can get connect with you. Like
yes,
that. Hi, how are you? Making the sulky face and a long face is always seems like that you are an arrogant person, right? Arrogant person,
yes.
always judge by your face, right? So whenever you are connecting, go with a gentle smile. That's very important.
Yeah, and according to me, don't matter. It does not matter how you look. It does not
Yes.
matter your background, your family status, your education. It does not matter. That is, and I don't like pretend. If
Uh-huh.
I like you, then I will express it. I'll
Mm.
describe it. If I don't like it, then I'll say no. I don't like, so don't tell. I
Same,
don't
same
pretend,
here.
so I like it.
It's very important, English, we sometimes we need not to be very vocal and expressive. We need to be very outspoken in the terms of saying in one word, right?
Yes,
If I'm saying that no, that means no, right? It can't be changed into yes. So if I'm saying no, that means no. Don't expect that it's going to be yes and all that. Very important. You said here, and looks doesn't matter. Of course, doesn't matter. We are into the same fraternity. We are into the same group. We need to respect each other first of all, and we maintain the respect, the daira of respect,
yes.
right? We need to maintain that. So then only we can be on some other one step ahead to learn this language.
Yeah, and some people tell me they connected with some other people, and their English is better than these people. So they said they feel very uncomfortable, arrogant, like they are very proud of for their English. So I think it is not matter. Don't be
Mm-hmm.
proud for your English. If you are speaking advanced level English, yeah, your English is good and your partner English is not good. No, no. It's just
Mm-hmm.
a difference between a time.
Mm-hmm.
Time. It's just a difference. Your
Yes.
time is now, your level is advanced, and my time
Mm-hmm.
is I am a beginner. So what?
Mm,
You know,
yes, no,
it's
absolutely,
comfortable.
absolutely.
If someone is comfortable with you to
Mm-hmm.
talk, that is good. I don't want anything.
Same here, we are not born into the America and US and UK, right? We are
Yes.
here in India. India is a diverse country, isn't it? Right. So we are, like I told you, we are into the same fraternity. Why that always go with the bravado, behavior, right?
Yes,
I was
yes,
also I was also in the beginner stage, right? So try to understand the situation of the person, each and every situation, instead of judging them by their speaking skill, instead of judging them by their face, try to
yes.
stand in their shoes. Then only you can understand.
Yeah, that is enough. That's enough to talk with people. And
Yes,
and
absolutely.
and second thing is just love. love this language and love the world. When you
Mm-hmm.
start to love this world, you cannot feel like he's lower than me. Do no need to
Mm-hmm.
feel that, yeah, think that that person is lower than me. We are
Mm-hmm.
all humans, and we need to stay
Yes.
happy with each other.
Yes. We and see, you are from the different culture, I'm from the different culture, but we have one thing is similar, that we are a human being, isn't
Yes,
it? Right?
yes,
The first culture, first religion is that we are a human being, right?
human being. Yes,
Yes. So we need to respect, we need to help each other. That is the thing we have in our hand. Else, we don't have anything. You are from another
okay.
state, I'm from the another state, right? This is the only thing, if you will do something, like if you impressed me, of course you impressed me, yeah, you have a influence, you have a different personality, so I will keep that in my memory lane. I will always remember you, that I've connected one of the person, English Nayak, and she was very good, right? I always
Yes,
remember. Your deed always keeps someone to remember, make you happy. Like whenever I
yes, yes,
think about you, English Nayak, who's English Nayak, so I feel very good. I will have a grin on my face. That
yes, yes. That is the thing. Just make this
yes,
look. Don't go your outside look. Just make this
yes.
heart look. I say always this heart look. Feel your
Uh,
heart and talk with people. I love people
yes,
in this world.
yes, same thing. I always, feel like that whenever I'm connecting with anyone, I always try to give them, first of all, the conducive environment. I always respect them, and I always tell them, doesn't matter whatever you are making the mistake. I am also making the mistake. I am on the same platform. I am not perfect person, right?
Yes,
Okay,
that is
great.
good.
It's been 16 minutes. Time actually flew away. It was a very
Yes,
gripping conversation with you. We actually indulged, na? We were talking about, and the thing is that, na, when we connecting with the people, we need to be very active participant in this. Actively participation is very required in
yes,
conversation.
yes,
Then we can make this conversation fruitful, so the people can also get motivated by this conversation.
yes. You are right. You're absolutely right.
Yes. So anything else, or we should wind up?
Yeah, we can hang up here.
Yes. Okay, then English Nayak. It was. I will call you Nayak. Isn't it okay?
No, it's okay. You can, as your voice. You can call me English. Yeah, you can call me Nayak.
Nayak. I think it suits to me.
That's good. Okay,
Okay,
I'm
Nayak. It
agree.
was. It was a gripping conversation with you. And I would say we can conclude this conversation on that sincere note that we should not judge the people by their face, right? We need to
Yes,
stand in their shoes, right? And if you want to learn this language, you need to immerse it. Just don't think about the mistake and all that. Go with it. Whatever randomly coming in your mind, the thoughts, the words is popping, right? Just
yes, yes.
spoke your mind heart out.
Just start to speak. Don't say anything.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, Nayak, we will connect soon for my channel. And whenever
Yes.
you are going to upload this video, please tag me so that I will also write some beautiful comments.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was nice conversation with you, and I enjoy a lot. Trust me, I enjoy a lot.
Same here. I enjoy a lot to connect with you, and I'm hoping that we will connect soon.
Sure.
Till then, take
Okay.
care
Bye.
and practice. Bye bye.
Bye.